This slide focuses on the core principles of the Innatist theory. The main idea of this whole theory is that children are constructing grammar through a process of hypothesis. They're actually learning it through themselves through trial and error. They're not just getting it from repetition, from hearing it and just repeating what adults, parents are saying to them. They're actually learning it for themselves and processing it. The language acquisition device is a really good um, visual of how this whole theory works. There is going to be an image on the next slide that really shows this visual well. But the whole theory relies on this device basically and is built off of that. And this device basically says that we're having infants that are acquiring and producing language through a process, and it shows you how this process is happening. We also see this theory come to play at a certain age in these students' lives, and it tends to be through the ages of 6 and 11.